This 2024 Keystone Passport GT 2704RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, FL 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.